Hello students, today I will explain you the question based on angles. Okay, already I have explained you all the definition of angles and triangles. So today I have taken some questions. Your first question is match the column and second is classify the angles. And before explaining this, I will explain you one thing. What do you mean by revolution? Okay, you know that this is your one circle. Okay, I am dividing this circle into four parts. When you start moving from here and when you reach till here, okay, so how many revolutions you have completed? 1/4. Actually, when you divide circle into four equal parts, all part will be 1/4 of a circle. Okay, when you start moving from here or when you start moving from here, when you move from here till here, that means you have completed 1/4 of a revolution. What does it represent? 1/4 of a revolution means 90 degree. 1/4 of a revolution means 90 degree. Your all quadrant are making 90 degree. So when you move from here till here, so 1/4 means 90 degree. Again when you start moving from here till here, so again this is 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 will become half. 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2/4. When you reduce, it will become half. So half of a revolution means 90 plus 90, 180 degree. 1/4 revolution means only 90 degree, and half of a revolution means 180 degree. Again you move from here till here. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This will give you 3/4. So 3/4 revolution means 90 plus 90 plus 90. Okay. So this is 90 here 27. 270 degree. 1/4 revolution means 90 degree. Half revolution means 180 degree. And 3/4 revolution means 270 degree. And when you complete one full round, so 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, it will become 360 degree. So you have to remember 1/4 means 90 degree, 1/4 revolution means 90 degree, half revolution means 180 degree, 3/4 revolution means 270 degree, and when you complete one full round, so it will be 360 degree. Okay, now we will come to our question. How we will solve this question? Okay, first we will read straight angle. Just now I have explained you what is straight angle. A straight line having an angle of which measure 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So to complete 180 degree, how much revolution you want? When you start moving from here, this is 1/4 90 degree, and this is 1/4 again 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 180 degree means half of a revolution. Straight angle means half of a revolution. We are just matching it. Now right angle 90 degree. Just now I have explained you. Right angle means 90 degree. 1/4 of a revolution measure 90 degree. So check where is 1/4 of a revolution? Here, 1/4 of a revolution. So right angle means 1/4 of a revolution. Now acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. You know definition. An angle which measure less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Less than 90 degree means less than 1/4 of a revolution. Now check where is less than 1/4 here. Less than 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, this is your answer. Less than 1/4 of a revolution. Now obtuse angle. Recall what is obtuse angle? An angle which measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. More than 90 but less than 180. So you can say between 1/4 and half. You can also say more than 1/4 of a revolution but less than half of a revolution. So now check. Here it is. Obtuse angle means between 1/4 and half, between 1/4 and half, here you will get 180 degree. This is 0. When you reach till here, it will become 180 degree. So obtuse angle means between 1/4 and half of a revolution, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now reflex angle. What is reflex angle? More than 180. When you cross this 180 degree, you will come here in third revolution, 3/4 revolution. So you can say reflex angle means more than half of a revolution, more than half of a revolution. So this way you have to check these angles. Now classify the angles. After observing these figures, only you have to give the name which type of angle it is. First, when you observe, you can easily find that this angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree means acute angle. Less than 90 degree means acute angle. See, this is straight line. Okay, which type of angle is this? 90 degree. See, here also straight line. Okay, a vertical, or you can say standing straight line always measure an angle of 90 degree. So downward also, when you take from here, here also it will make an angle of 90 degree. So 90 degree means right angle. An angle whose measure is exact 90 degrees is called right angle. So this straight line shows this angle measure 90 degree. Now see the difference between this and this. Here angle is made from inside and here angle is made from outside. This shows that this is reflex angle, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is your reflex angle. This is your reflex angle. Okay. Now here you can see that M, inside this M, two angles are there. When you observe this angle, easily you can observe both the angles are less than 90 degree, and less than 90 degree means acute angle. Less than 90 degree means acute angle. And you might have learned this all definition in 4th class also, 5th class also. Okay. So if you have not learned this, go through this definition. So you will understand this, all the different types of angle more easily. Okay. So these are the question based on angles.